In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a DocuSign certificate of completion. This certificate serves as an official record of the document's life cycle in DocuSign. It provides you with details such as the signer, the time of signing, and the IP address, thus ensuring the document's integrity and authenticity. Let's go through the process step by step to ensure you can access this important piece of documentation quickly and efficiently. To begin, you'll need to head over to the DocuSign website. You can easily do this by entering apps.docusign.com in your web browser's address bar. Once there, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. If you're new to DocuSign, you'll need to set up an account first, which is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Once you're logged in, look towards the main navigation menu and locate the Agreements section. This section is essentially where all of your ongoing and completed document transactions are stored. Clicking on Agreements will allow you to see a comprehensive list of documents that you have interacted with. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this section if you frequently use DocuSign, since it helps you keep track of your document processes. Now, what you'll want to do is find the completed document for which you want a certificate. Once you locate it, click on Download the completed document. This step involves accessing the specific file or envelope that contains the document. Here you may also notice additional options depending on the contents of the envelope or your permissions. After accessing the relevant document, the next thing to do is look for the option labeled Certificate of Completion. Clicking on this option will open up the certificate related to your document. This certificate is a useful tool for both personal record keeping and professional compliance, as it includes all the relevant completion data for the DocuSign document. With the certificate open, you're almost done. The last step is to click on the Download button. This will download the certificate as a PDF file to your computer or device. Where it's saved might depend on your browser settings, so you may have to check your Downloads folder if you can't find it immediately. Saving the certificate is an excellent way to ensure that all your document transactions are archived correctly for future reference or verification if needed. Following these steps will secure your certificate of completion from DocuSign, providing you with all the confirmation and details regarding your signed document. By doing so, you maintain complete records of your electronic document transactions, which is an essential part of modern digital document handling. If you have any questions or face any issues, DocuSign's help resources are readily available on their website. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been informative and helpful for you.